Good morning, it's Vlogmas day 9. It's Vlogmas day 9. Guys, I'm so embarrassed. Look at that mess right there. Fixed. Okay? Okay. So, today is going to be a day of being an adult, grocery shopping, meal prepping, cleanup, you know, that kind of stuff. So that's what's happening today. So I will take you guys along, and that's about it. So I just wanted to come on here and say welcome to Vlogmas day 9. It's about 12:30, and I'm just now leaving the house. I was supposed to go work out, but I didn't go. I will get there tomorrow. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Michael Jackson is my jam. Alright guys, so we are back, and let's see, I have to do some cooking. I just need to wash the dishes because I need a clear sink, so that way when I'm done cooking that there's not more dishes I need to do. So it's gonna be a pretty quick thing, and yeah, so follow along if you would like. Thanks. Bye. So as you saw in the previous video clip, that was the bacon, broccoli, and chicken kind of bake. So I put the ingredients into the clips, but now it's for the oven to be ready at 400, and I'm just gonna bake it for about 20 minutes. The chicken is our cooked chicken. The broccoli is raw, so we're just gonna have that all meshed, so that'll be like in 20 minutes. So that's one meal I'm cooking, and then I'm gonna cook something else to just have for dinner during the week and prepare my keto breakfast. That's with the almond milk, chia seeds, and almond butter. So I will show you guys that if I have not shown it to you before. I'm at a weird angle, but that's what's happening today. So this is pretty much it, guys. This is Vlogmas day 9. Day 9? Yeah, day 9. It's hot in here. It's hot. And then we're gonna go ahead and I need to organize. I need to clean up stuff. So that's about it. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Guys, so it's the end of my vlog for today, and hope you guys enjoyed it. I did some organizing, and I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video so I can upload it for you guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.